Moving abroad or already working overseas, you can manage your money in India smoothly with HDFC Bank's NRI savings account. HDFC Bank offers two types of NRI savings accounts: NRE for income earned abroad and NRO for income earned in India. Visit the NRI banking page on the HDFC Bank website and get started by filling out the NRI account application form. Enter name, email ID, current country, mobile number and select if you are existing customer or new customer. Once you submit the form, a bank representative will connect with you to assist further. Next, you'll need to submit your KYC documents to complete the verification. Here's what's needed: duly filled and signed NRI Account Opening Form, valid passport, valid proof of NRI status, example, work visa, permit, OCI card, PIO declaration, etc., PAN card or Form 60 if submitting in India without PAN, overseas or Indian address proof, any additional documents if required. Once your physical documents are received, reviewed and approved, your account is open. Just add funds and you're all set to start banking from anywhere. Ready to begin? Fill out the NRI savings account form and let HDFC Bank take care of the rest.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.